What's up, guys? Yes, another vlog. Today we're gonna go camping in this place called Hallamölla, and it better be nice. It is gonna be nice. There's a giant, not a giant, there's a waterfall, and we're gonna bathe in the waterfall. It's gonna be cozy, so you better stay tuned. Now the first mission of the trip is to find John. He's coming to my city, and then we're gonna take the bus together to Hallamölla. So mission number one: reunite with John. I got just some nuts. I have bread, nuts, some protein drinks, water. Just some basic stuff, really. John is also gonna bring some stuff. I got a tent, a sleeping bag. That is actually set for the summer though, but yeah, I'll insulate with my own clothes. And now the motherfucking hike starts. We got, well, for a bike it takes like 11 minutes to bike there, but we're walking, so we're fucking walking, me and John. How about you? Yeah, that's true. So I will vlog everything that I find interesting and stuff that maybe you can find interesting, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Let's see, our next mission is to find the waterfall, and then we're gonna set up camp. We're gonna find a camp at least. Oh my fucking days, man. And when we have found, our next mission is to find the waterfall, and then when we have found the waterfall, we're gonna go find a fireplace so we can set up a fire, set up our 2 tents, set up camp, pack all our shit inside, and then I don't know if we're gonna go bathe under the waterfall today or tomorrow morning, because today there might be quite a lot of people there, because nowadays compared to far back in the days, it has more turned into a tourist attraction to go there, and we will show you why. It's a very beautiful place, very, very beautiful.
Hey, welcome.
And now we have arrived to Hallamölla. We will give you a tour around. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear me, but a funny thing is that my stepfather at home had this place as his childhood place. He jumped from the waterfalls and he bathed in the ice cold water with his brother, and that's something that I want to recreate tomorrow morning at sunrise.
Put that shit up, man. Put that shit up.
One of the best things about Hallamölla is that it has its own fucking cave, man. You see that? You could easily sleep in there. Such a beautiful place. And now we have been at the waterfall. It was a very nice place, but now we're gonna go search for a camping spot. We are possibly gonna self-camp if we cannot find any legal fireplace that we can set up. then I guess we have to get a little bit illegal, just a little bit. We're gonna go up those stairs right there, and we have no idea what's on the other side, but I guess we'll find out. This is one of those unplanned adventures. You never know what's gonna go wrong. Maybe we're gonna fall down the water, or we're maybe gonna break our back jumping from the waterfall. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Ha. Well, as you can see, this giant tree just fell here, man.
We almost died.
We almost died.
Crazy shit. Crazy.
The tree hit my head. I just tanked it, but we went past it, and now we're gonna walk downwards. Right down there. Such a beautiful forest, man. I just love the Scandinavia forest system, or forest climate, nature. And now we have found our potential camping spot right here. We are gonna put up a fire, and we're gonna grab a sweet potato, and we're gonna wrap it inside of aluminum foil, and then we're gonna eat some grilled sweet potato with sausages. I'm not hearing and shit. People walk like right there. They hike there just like us. So they might see us, but who cares? Now we have set up John's tent right there. Now we will set up mine, and you'll get a very beautiful time lapse. So stay tuned. Come on, man. Perfect. Now we have pitched up our tent. See there? It's gonna be cozy as hell. We're not so very vad fan var ordentlig på engelska? Ordentlig. Precise is the word I'm searching for. Because there's not going to be a storm, it's not going to rain, it's going to be completely dry and warm. We filtered some water. We filtered some water from the river. I don't know if the water is clean to drink yet, but we'll see. I don't know where John went. I'll see if I get sick later. I don't know. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I will. Well, we climbed the hill. Now we're just sitting here and taking a chill pill. Taking a chill pill. So far, this camping trip has been only enjoyable, really. No bigger challenges. No challenge at all, actually. I mean, summer camps are way calmer, you know. While, staying. Well, winter camps are, you know, way more hardcore. There's more to do. You never get bored, really. You always have to stoke the fire, and you can never really sleep because you need to make the fire go. But out here, it's just pure peace. Just look at this, man. time is 19:24. The sunset is setting. The sun is setting, and we have officially come back to camp. Home sweet home. Home sweet home.
Kör ni som ett växthus in i här?
Är det varmt då?
Nej.
The fire has been prepared. We have the rocks, the wood. We got a little fan too, so we can. Such beauty, such beauty. Some sausage with some bell pepper and garlic, and then some sweet potatoes. And we're gonna grill that up, and we're gonna consume like crazy. Before eating, we're gonna go running too, to simulate the hunt and shit. I don't know. Which is. It feels so nice to just get in the tent, man. The dogs are out. The mosquito net is closed. I'm all safe in here. Just chilling like crazy. Our dinner later is gonna be, as you can see, the fire's going up. Such a beauty, man. It's completely calm out here. All you can hear are the chirps of the birds and not much else. I've grilled some sausages. They're so fucking good, man.
Laat me voel van steenorder.
The sweet potatoes are on the way. Oh! Thank you, God, for sausages. Grilled sweet potato mukbang. Looks like a cook. Den är skålligt. It's hot as shit, man. Let's try it. Attempt number 2.
Is it soft or hard?
Look, you're soft as fuck.
Is it good?
Wow, it's very, very hot though. It's very hot.
Imagine it with salt and pepper. 10 times better.
And now the last vlog for today. The day has come to an end. We're gonna go to sleep and we're gonna wake up at sunrise tomorrow. And then we're gonna pack up our shit and head to the waterfall. And we're gonna take a shower. Oh, that's gonna be so gnarly, man. Hopefully I sleep well tonight. If not, I'm just gonna wake up grumpy. Wish me luck, guys, and good night. Good morning, folks. It's 4:55 in the morning. It's still bright outside. Now we're gonna pack up our stuff and we're gonna night bathing. To be fully honest with you, that might have been the best sleep I've ever had camping. I have all my clothes on. I got like clothes under clothes and a summer rated bag. But I had this, the aluminum thing, the emergency camping blanket. It kept so much heat, man. I'm hungry as hell, man. Although hard. John said that he was gonna go for a piss, but he's fucking gone, man. I don't know where he is. He's been gone for like 5 or 10 minutes now. Now our shit is packed up. The tents are inside of the bags. And for some fucking reason, the tents keep getting bigger for every time we use them. So that's annoying. Now we're gonna be cold as hell. We're gonna hike to the waterfall, and then we're gonna be cold as hell. We're tired, man. Not really tired though, just a little. Just a little bit. We are officially at our budlets, at our bathing place. It's gonna be cold, like 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. Cold as hell. The shoes are on, so I don't slip and fall or get a sharp rock in my foot. All I need. Woo! And now we're walking the final hike across the Skåne landscape, and I'm gonna leave you guys there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, go and follow my TikTok, Lehman_5. It might be Swedish. I speak Swedish there, but still, please follow it. I would deeply appreciate it. Have it good, folks.